What's up, YouTube? We back. I left off getting the dash, installed the dash. I added a feature to my steering wheel. I'm gonna let y'all check that out real quick. Wow. But I got this little kit from, hold on. What's the name of it? NRG Racing. I thought that was cool, so I bought it, added it on there after I installed the dash. Literally just pops back on there, locks it back. Put the steering column in, got under it and put the drive shaft in. Realized that it wasn't long enough after adding that lift kit on it. So I had to take it to Republic Diesel and have it extended. I think maybe about 4 or 5 inches. I can't remember how long I had to have it extended, but the yoke wasn't going into the transmission at all. So I had to take it there, take it to them, have them extend it. I finally got it back. It took them, I think about a week and a half to extend it for me. Got it back, painted it, of course, because it was black or like a steel gray color. It was ugly, so I went ahead and painted that. Installed it. After I installed it, I realized, well, I learned, I ain't gonna say I realized, I learned that it had to be a gap between the base of the yoke and the actual bell housing on the transmission. And I didn't understand it. I thought it was supposed to go like tight into it, and it's not. And the reason being, if you know that when the car bounces up and down, the yoke has to go inside the transmission. It has to have travel room to be able to move and go in and out. I got that put in, installed my gas tank. It was a simple job. I had these 2 straps that I showed y'all that I got powder coated. Hooked those 2 up. Well, I jacked it up on a jack and put 2x4s on it, raised it up, and tightened these 2 bolts up, got it hooked up, got all that done. And then after that, I had installed my radiator core support. Of course, it's all put together now, but at the time, the fenders wasn't on and the front clip wasn't on. But I got that put on. I don't know if y'all remember the old video of it all rusted out, but this is it. So my first start, it was kind of rough. It was smoking, and I could tell the timing was off of it. So I took it and well, I knew the timing was off of it, so I wanted to have it looked at. So I went and had it looked at later on, but I'll show y'all that video too. But anyway, it's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna wrap this one up. I just wanted to show y'all how I got it all put back together in that first start, my first drive. Still trying to figure out the suspension part of it. It's a little bouncy, but the first drive I didn't have the coilovers on it. I now have coilovers on it. Even before I put the coilovers on it, it was kind of bouncy. Well, actually, it was stiff. It wasn't bouncy. It was real stiff, and that's what happens when you put them big wheels on these old cars. It's just a stiff ride. That's why a lot of people don't like doing it, but it is what it is. So I later upgraded to coilovers. I'll show y'all that later. But yeah, I wanted to get it all. I wanted to get back in the garage, get working on it again. Now the car is completely put back together. It's running. It's just some fine tuning, working with the timing adjustment, setting the carburetor, which I don't know how to do. I bought a 4-barrel Holley carburetor, and I don't know nothing about it. It's got all kind of jets on it, and I'm familiar with the Edelbrock carburetor, which doesn't have all the intense vacuums and jets and all that shit on it. So I don't know how to work this one. I didn't know how to work it. So it was just running rough. It was idling rough. It was backfiring. It was going. I don't have no video of that because again, back then I wasn't vlogging. But anyway, later on I'll show y'all of how when I did finally get it tuned up and running, how it ran. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and keep on supporting the channel so it can continue to grow. And hopefully I can still reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're cutting it close. I think right now I'm at 600 and maybe 30. I don't know. I probably won't reach it, but it is what it is. I love doing this anyway. My car is going to continue to get built because I love building cars. That's what I do. There's going to be a lot more upgrades coming up on it. Suspension work, brake, digital dash. I'm going to be doing all of that. Just right now, I'm just trying to get it running, put all back together, and then slowly but surely I'll be giving y'all those new upgrades. So like I said, hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and help me to continue to grow my channel. Bye.